Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and today we're playing with cupcakes. I'm going to show you how to make a cute penguin cupcake with wings, perfect for that winter birthday party or just a fun winter celebration. I'm going to start out with a yellow cupcake and a pastry bag filled with some white frosting, white buttercream frosting, and a large star tip. We're going to make the body of the penguin with a nice, round, fluffy swirl of frosting. Then I'm going to carefully, now you got to be careful with these chocolate sandwich cookies where you got to twist them apart and then take off the top. And now this is going to be the head of our cupcake. Now don't worry if there's a little chocolate in there. Okay, chocolate left on there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of this frosting and we're going to use it as our glue for our eyes, to make our eyes for our penguins. Stick it on right like that. And then, so playing with candy. Candy is going to be your fun art medium doing this. And then we're going to take our chocolate cookie, the other half of it, and we're going to just break it in half. Sometimes it comes apart in threes. No worries. You just take the two pieces that look the most even, and you're going to poke them right in there. Make them facing the same way. Kids love doing this. This is a great idea to do with kids. And then lastly, now you want to clean off your hands because you don't want any of that chocolate cookie on your Starburst, which to me this is like fondant. This is the closest thing you can get to fondant, and it tastes so much better than fondant. This we're going to use for our beak and for our feet. So all I'm going to do is I'm just pulling out the corners, okay? Then I'm going to cut the corners here to make triangular feet and a little beak. And then I can go ahead again, take a little bit of that frosting, and you're going to stick it right on there for the beak. Don't stress over this. This is a cupcake. This is one thing I tell the kids all the time, adults, don't stress over this. It's a cupcake. People are going to eat it. Whether it's perfect or not, just do the best you can. There you go. Cute little penguin cupcake with wings. Thanks for joining me. For more information, please check me out on my bio. Thanks.